Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to turn on call recording on iPhone, and trust me, the process is quite simple. This is also going to work out for literally any iPhone you have. So basically, on your iPhone you want to head over to the settings, and then from the settings go over to general over here, select on the software update option. You want to make sure that your iPhone is on iOS 18.1 or later, and as you can see from over here, mine is actually on iOS 26.3. The screen recording feature is a pretty new feature, so you have to make sure you are on iOS 18.1 or later for this to work. Once your iPhone is up to date, you want to come back to the settings and then scroll all the way down until you find the apps settings, which is usually at the bottom over here. Go ahead and select that. Now scroll down again until you find the phone settings. From over here, select phone. Carefully scroll down and you're going to find the audio call recording option over here. If you do not find yours, then don't worry, there is actually a solution for you. But if you can find the audio recording option, just select it and make sure you turn on audio call recording. This is basically the call recording feature. However, if you do not find the audio call recording feature on your own iPhone, even though you are on iOS 18.1 or above, what you can actually do is to come out of this option back to the settings of your iPhone, and then you just want to go over to the general settings over here, select that. Now scroll down again until you find the language and region option. Select that as well. Proceed to make sure that your region is actually set to the United States. Currently, the call recording feature does not work in some regions, so you have to make sure you're actually set to the United States. Mine was previously set to Nigeria, and as soon as I changed it to the United States, it started working for me. If that does not work, you also want to make sure you set your language to English US, and that might also fix that problem for you. Once you've changed your language or your region, go back to the apps settings again, and then to phone from over here, and then just make sure that audio call recording is actually turned on. Now that call recording is turned on, in order for you to record an incoming call or outgoing call, I'm just going to try to call my mom's number over here. And once you have received the call, or the user actually picks the call, at the bottom over here you're going to see the more option on your iPhone. Just tap on it and you're going to see the call recording feature at the bottom. To record this call, you just want to tap on call recording, and automatically that user is also going to be notified of a call recording, and at the bottom you can literally see the call recording currently going on. Now to stop the call recording, you can tap on the stop button over here, or alternatively just end the call and the recording will automatically end as well. And I'm just going to end mine. Now in order for you to find your call recordings, you can just go ahead and open up the Notes app on your iPhone. So this is the Notes app, and if I come out of this, I currently have 2 recordings, and this is actually the recording with my mom. I can tap on it and also play that particular recording directly from here. If you also want to share this recording, you can long press on it and also share it directly from here. You can also see a transcript of the recording as well directly from here. That will be all on this video. Please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.